Hello everyone, I'm Vikram P. Maduri here. I'm an SAP architect and welcome to J Softech. And in this session, we are going to discuss a couple of highlights on 1811, the latest release of SAP S4 HANA. And let's start off with that. Automatic calculation and posting of purchase order accruals. This is one highlight of the 1811. Let's imagine that you are a finance professional preparing for period and closing activities. So what's normally possible is with automatic calculations and postings of purchase order accruals, we normally tend to be confident that liabilities to third parties are being properly accounted and for let's say new accrual engine with flexible configuration options for calculation and posting accruals. So the impact would be that we enjoy tighter governance and compliance with greater efficiency in closing a process, and that's something which we have got from the intelligent automation of SAP S4 HANA. So I repeat, the first one would be the automatic calculation and posting of purchase orders. So this normally happens whenever we have liabilities to third parties are being properly accounted, and that is what can happen with the 1811. Coming to the second one is the supplier performance predictions. So we can basically predict the supplier performances based on the AI, the artificial intelligence been imbibed into SAP S4 HANA 1811. So let's imagine a scenario wherein you are a purchaser responsible for key raw materials orders ahead of a holiday rush, and you know that if the supplier is late delivering, it might have significant downside impact on your manufacturing. So what's possible with the SAP S4 HANA 1811 is, with the machine learning powered by supplier performance predictions, you can ascertain a reliable delivery lead time estimate while creating the purchase requisition or purchase order. So you can basically estimate what would be the basic time that would be taken for the supplier to supply the goods to you. Now the impact would be, when materials arrive on time, the production can continue as planned, and inventory planning reliability is improved, allowing you to better manage working capital and resolve potential supply shortages before they impact production. The third major advantage of 1811, as the highlight of 1811, is the asset management, actual cost analysis. Now, let's imagine a scenario wherein you have, as a plant operation engineer, you are responsible for the smooth operation of a plant and a production line as well. So with an unlimited budget, and might be pretty easy, but no one has a truly unlimited budget, right? So what you do have though is one piece of equipment that always seems to be temperamental. So now what are we going to do is, what exactly the asset management will do is, it will do the specific actual cost analysis. And how do we do that is, you can identify the maintenance activities leading to the highest costs. So you basically can easily cut short what are the maintenance activities that are leading to the highest cost here. So now here the impact would be that you can now maximize the efficiency of your maintenance spending with easy comparisons between total corrective and preventive maintenance costs. It is also possible to analyze critical costs by a variety of facets such as order type and location as well, to gain more insight into your maintenance spend. So by this we can cut short the entire spend that we do on the maintenance. The fourth one would be the interest rate overview. So let's imagine that as a part of your company's treasury group, you oversee a portfolio of assets all of which are in some way or the other dependent on various interest rates. Now, what's possible is, like in 1811, you can quickly gain insight into interest rate related to financial risks, such as current and historical interest rates, maturity profiles, and total debts by key dates, among others. So, what would be the impact is the treasury and risk managers now have a single dashboard for tracking interest bearing debt and investment instruments as well. And it's easier than ever to stay informed of financial market impacts on your business. The fifth one would be the warehouse management. Now, you can see the warehouse management, what exactly we do in the warehouse management, the inbound processing, the internal processing, and the outbound processing. We have various steps in the cloud warehouse management. So imagine that you have a broad purview of over the entire supply chain, including your company's warehouse operations. So because your warehouse needs have grown steadily, you have a variety of manual connections across the inbound, outbound, and internal processing as well. So what's possible in SAP S/4HANA 1811 is you can manage stock on the bin level for better visibility and connect inbound processing through internal inventory management to outbound processing. This complete warehouse solution connects you to suppliers and customers and maps your physical warehouse structure down the bin level. Now, the impact would be with a fully connected warehouse system and real-time insights, you gain better understanding of inventory levels and a simplified data connections that support day-to-day warehouse processing. And the sixth one would be the transportation management. And in the transportation management, as we see, this is a SAP S4 HANA transportation scope 1811, the order management. We have the transportation demand, freight planning, and we have the delivery integration as well. So we have interface to external transportation management system, like we have a scenario like shipper scenarios. So now let's imagine that your sales team has just booked a large order. You need to ensure the order is fulfilled and is shipped in a timely, cost-effective manner. Now, what's possible with SAP S4 HANA 1811 is you can take advantage of new transportation management capabilities to order-based transportation planning. Now, what exactly would be the impact on the businesses that we have effectively planned transportation and triggered delivery creation, seamlessly tying together order to cash activities. Your customers enjoy an improved order and delivery experiences and increased customer satisfaction and safeguarding your future order potentials. At the same time, an earlier view into transportation needs based on the sales order data allows you to reduce cost and capacity constraint risk as well. The seventh one would be the APIs. So APIs is like you have you are responsible for, let's say we take an example of you're responsible for making sure that you business systems talk to one another. So or you are a sales professional that is expected to enter the same order in two or three different systems, either way duplicating data in a different way. So what's possible is like with the latest release of SAP S4 HANA Cloud 1811, we have added still more APIs. We have a lot of other APIs, including a robust set of APIs focused on the sale line of business. It is now possible to create, manage, and delete sales orders with SAP S4 HANA Cloud using a third-party system as well. And buyers and suppliers can exchange documents using web-based services as well. So we have a reduced transactional friction, makes it easier to accomplish your job and eliminate multiple manual data entry points reduces the opportunity for data entry errors as well. And furthermore, with documented APIs, you can utilize a variety of tools to tailor your solution to your specific business needs. Now, coming to the intelligent suitability matching. So, intelligent suitability matching is something which we have for, let's say, you have as a professional service project manager. You are responsible for ensuring staffing of select customer engagements. Like many companies, your formal employee skills catalog is not always comprehensive or entirely up to date. So it's a real time scenario which happens for most of us. So this can make it difficult for accurately and successfully staff engagement. So what's possible here is with the intelligent suitability matching in SAP S4 HANA 1811, professional services firms can incorporate previous experience from past projects to supplement skills found in the employee fact sheet. And furthermore, availability matching checks if the efforts distribution requested by the project manager can actually be fulfilled. So the impact on this would be the clients are happy because their projects have been delivered on time, with skilled consultants and professional services firms are able to more effectively utilize their resources while keeping key clients happy. The ninth one would be the extended control of project budget consumption. So what exactly happens is, like, we assume that as a project financial controller, it is your responsibility to ensure projects stay within budget while still enabling the project team to complete its work. So what's possible with SAP S4 HANA 1811 is with the extended control of project budget consumption card, you can gain increased visibility across projects and greater insight into individual projects at a glance. So the impact on this would be with easier to access project financial information. You can more effectively or easily spot and eliminate a budget overruns, while new configuration flexibility means it's possible to define thresholds used for warnings and errors, and messages where we have messages in a more granular fashion. And the 10th one would be the product compliance integration with the product master and sales order fulfillment. Now imagine your company has a vast portfolio of products, some of which have certain restrictions placed upon them in terms of sales. So determining which products can be shipped to which customers can frequently become a time consuming manual process actually. So in SAP S4HANA Cloud 1811, you can distinguish compliance relevant products and easily check sales document blocked for compliance reasons, such as product registration requirements or hazardous material handling and requirements, etc. So now here, in the impact on the company would be that companies can effectively process sales orders with compliance restricted products and easily trigger extended compliance processes where necessary. This helps to ensure companies manage their compliance risks effectively while still making it easy to resolve compliance related activities. So these are the 10 top 10 highlights of 1811. Do write in the comments which video would you like to see, and I'll be making a video on that particular topic. And if you like this video, do click on the like and share it with your friends. It will help them. And do subscribe to our channel www.youtube.com/Softech and do click on the bell button. Thank you. Have a great day.